Hello, my dear friend. This is the boss here, and you're watching my YouTube channel Crypto Trend. Before starting our video, I request to all newcomers on my YouTube channel kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, friends, this is not a financial advice, and always do your own research, investment responsibility, and never ask for money. So, friend, let's begin the review. Today project is about auto earn in VIX exchange, and you can auto earn is a passive income features where your deposits crypto automatically gets placed into earn and products things of it like smart savings tools and helps your funds, and you can see the grow over time auto without you are having to manually trade or look tokens. So friends, like that it is designed for both beginners and also experienced user. You can see auto earn option on the main page of the app of the weeks, and you can also you turn on the auto earn features weekly. So click on the turn option, auto earn option, and you can see the turn on option. After turning on, you can see automatically allocates your funds into flexible earning tools, and you receive passive rewards usually daily or periodically. You can also withdraw and to turn on off anytime, and there is no stacking lags, no completed setup, and no trading experience required. Auto earn handles everything in the background. So like that, you can here are some of the top features of the auto earn feature: flexible deposits, add or remove funds anytime, and you can also most earning deposits and updates are here, and every 24-hour fully. This is also fully automated, perfect for people who don't have time to trade, and also it's a beginners friendly one time one button activation, multiple spotted coins, and you can see depending on the region you may earn with USDT, BTC, Ethereum, or other tokens. Low maintenance fees, zero management requirements, and also it one of the easiest earning tools on the here. You can easily turn it on here, and after turning it on you can start your earning with 100% APR up to you can earn from here. So friend, like that, now let you know show your how to step one, open the Wix app and website, and you can also do earn the option, and this is the simple way to earn passively. Before you use auto earn, here are some important points there, depending on the market, and these are the you can see your friends is flexible but rewards may vary every day. Auto earn is a safe and trading, but it still has crypto markets risk. Always check the APR before activating and read the terms and the conditions to understand how rewards are calculated. This help you make your informations and decisions. So friend, so it's weeks auto earn will work it if you are a beginner, don't know how to trade, or just want your crypto to earn sometime while in the sits in your wallets. That yes, to earn you can be a great option. But remember that this is not a get rich quick feature. It's a slow and steady passive earnings tools. Use it as part of the balanced and responsible investment opportunities. After that, all right, and that's the everything you need to know about the auto on in the Wix exchange, and you can easily go through their app, and after that switch on the auto app. You can earn their APR 100%. So always I tell you before and doing an investment, please do your own research. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comments, and subscribe to more crypto tutorials, and let me know if the comment in the comments if you want a full walkthrough on the other week's feature. Thank you for the watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself.